I'm Natalie from Top10.com Reviews. We're here to help make your decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Our mission is to bring you the top 10 best options every time. Let's talk about Freshly. This may come as a shock to you, but Freshly delivers meals that are completely, you guessed it, fresh. Nothing frozen. Freshly's chef-prepared meals come already prepared, so you can just heat and eat in minutes. The entire menu is gluten-free, nutritionally balanced, and cuts back on the processed sweeteners, processed junk, and artificial ingredients, making Freshly good and good for you. Freshly has 4 plans to choose from and close to 40 different meal options you can drool over. You can select 4, 6, 10, or 12 meal plans that are delivered each week. Each serving is good for one person's meal, generally a lunch or dinner. Freshly has a food philosophy, so you know they mean business. In a nutshell, it's all about high nutritional value and cutting out the garbage like sugars, processed foods, and other things that are bad for you. So while Freshly isn't exclusively organic, the ingredients are of a higher quality. Freshly doesn't have a specific menu plan catering to various dietary restrictions or eating requirements. Instead, it focuses on delivering all-around healthy meals that are low in calories, low glycemic carbs, and no processed sugars. Freshly also has a Freshly Fit program for more focused macronutrients and performance enhancement. Everything is gluten-free. Freshly makes ordering fast and easy. Pick the number of meals you want delivered each week, punch in your details, and you're done. You can change the plan whenever you want, skip a week, or easily change your delivery day or address online using the app. Freshly delivers to all 48 continental United States. That's good, except for you guys in Alaska or Hawaii, but there's a catch. There are certain zip codes within the continental US that Freshly doesn't come to. Type in your zip code to see if you win or lose. Freshly ships you fresh, ready-to-eat meals. Using something called modified atmospheric packaging, Freshly keeps its meals fresh during transit. Your meals will stay fresh for 12 hours. Freshly makes itself stand out by delivering fresh meals to your doorstep. All you have to do is heat it up and dinner is ready without the mess. Meals are never frozen either, so you don't have to worry about that nasty freezer burn taste. Freshly meals are nutritionally balanced and gluten-free. The best part about a Freshly meal, prep time is, wait for it, 3 minutes. That's right, there's no prepping at all, no cooking required. Meals come ready to heat, so you can have a nutritious meal whenever the mood strikes you. Freshly has lots of support options. You can reach out to a team member via phone or email, or you can browse the support center for quick and easy DIY answers. Best of all though, Freshly has text and phone support available 24/7. Well done. Freshly pricing plans start at $8.49 per serving and go up to $11.49. The more meals you order, the less you pay per meal. Shipping is calculated at checkout depending on the plan you order and your delivery location. This can range from $5.99 to $11.99. Freshly is the obvious choice if you're looking for fresh meals in a hurry. I hope this video helped you decide whether Freshly is the right meal delivery service for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.